Good night, college and teacher. My name is Marcela Valles. I am 30 years old. I am from Pereira, but currently live in Villalegua, Boyacá. The course aspects are to have higher education level, learn to identify English, phonology, and teach pronunciation. Which is where many have said below is an explaining of phonics and phonology. Present, present by Marcela Vallejo. Phonics. Phonology is essential for teaching pronunciation and correct speech errors. Phonics play a crucial role in the world and technology such as speech recognition and syntax phonetics to trace the physical process involved the production of sound. Phonology in studying patterns and behavior of the sounds in real speech and that's one regularities that govern the phonic relationship of the sounds words of language. Examples: el, car, overall the blade of teeth and blade of the tongue, cunning, contact with teeth rise to articulate sounds. Bilabial, bidental, central input, or preaural. Difference between phonology and phonology. And what is the difference between phonics and phonology? They may seem to be the same thing, but there are a small difference and indicate what age, signs, style, phonetics, and the sound we make when they speak up characteristics, little phonology styles, phonemes, and their function and language. Supraglottic cavities, palates, tongue, teeth, lips, and glottis. Bilabial, biodental, dental or velar, procelar, palatal, glottic, and velar. Bye, good night. Thank you for listening.